What happens? Let's see, it's recording.
Can you see it?
Is it like here?
You have to aim it down.
Okay.
Pull it back a little bit. Pull the whole camera forward. I'm sorry, forward in the sailplane.
Towards us? Okay.
Now aim it down more. You know, you can probably see with your hand if you do it. Here, bring it out. Can you see that you were seeing it?
Well, I could stop and look.
Oh
yeah.
Right?
No, I can see it. All right, yeah.
Okay. Now, ready?
Yep.
Okay. So here's this flap.
Oh my god, this is a million and one levers moving there.
There's a negative flap.
Uh-huh.
A positive flap.
Oh, shit.
Negative flap. Full positive flap. Now I'm going to take neutral. And we'll go left aileron, right aileron.
Okay.
Let's not do that anymore. Stop. I've got the wing wheel on, so it's...
It's binding. Oh. Okay. Okay.
Okay, now here's left aileron,
Mm-hmm.
right aileron. Left aileron, right aileron. Now here's left aileron, flap. Back to neutral.
Okay.
Right aileron. There you go.
Wow. Yeah, it's a very overly complicated.